Welcome to Success Step. We're thrilled to have you join our community as we take practical steps toward a better life. Today, we're diving deep into the 20 money habits that keep you poor, the financial traps most people don't even realize they're in. Get ready to challenge your mindset, learn actionable strategies, and start building a richer future, one new step at a time. Don't forget to hit subscribe and share your biggest financial challenge in the comments below. 20 money habits that keep you poor. Break the cycle for financial freedom. Achieving financial well-being isn't solely about how much money you earn, but how you manage what you have. Often, subtle, destructive money habits can silently erode your wealth and keep you trapped in a cycle of financial stress. Recognizing and changing these behaviors is the first crucial step toward building a more secure future. Here are 20 common money habits that can keep you poor, along with suggestions for turning them around.
Section 1. Overspending and debt traps. Living beyond your means. The most fundamental trap. Consistently spending more money than you bring in, often by relying on credit.
2. Carrying a credit card balance. Paying only the minimum due means you're accruing high interest charges, which quickly negate any value from your purchases. 3. Ignoring debt. Avoiding or ignoring your total debt load, especially high-interest debts like credit cards or payday loans, allows interest to compound and debt to spiral. 4. Impulse buying. Making frequent, unplanned purchases, often driven by emotion or boredom, which collectively drain your bank account. 5. Lifestyle inflation. As your income increases from a raise, you immediately increase your spending to match, preventing you from saving or investing the extra money.
6. Spending to save. Buying just because it's on sale. Purchasing items you don't need or hadn't planned for simply because they are discounted, resulting in unnecessary expenditure.
7. Excessive dependence on buy now, pay later, or BNPL services. Using short-term financing for small, everyday purchases can encourage overspending and can lead to predatory fees if payments are missed. 8. Buying new cars frequently. New cars depreciate rapidly. Financing new cars every few years means constantly holding a depreciating asset with high payments. 9. Not having a budget or not sticking to one. Without a clear budget, you don't know where your money is going, making it impossible to identify waste or allocate funds toward goals. Section 2. Lack of financial planning and education. These habits reflect a failure to manage, monitor, and grow your money effectively. Number 10. Not tracking your wealth. Failing to regularly monitor your net worth, assets minus liabilities, means you can't accurately gauge your financial progress.
11. Not saving for the future. Paying yourself last. Prioritizing all bills and expenses before putting money aside for savings or investment, often resulting in nothing left to save. 12. Neglecting an emergency fund. Lacking a dedicated savings cushion for unexpected expenses, like a medical bill or job loss, forcing you to rely on debt when a crisis hits. 13. Failing to maximize employer retirement matches. eager 401k. Missing out on free money by not contributing at least enough to get the full employer match in your retirement account. 14. Postponing investing. Believing you need a huge sum of money or advanced knowledge to start investing, missing out on the power of compounding over time. Focusing too much on expenses and too little on income. Becoming obsessed with saving a few dollars on coupons while ignoring opportunities to increase your primary income or develop new skills. 16. Avoiding financial education. Refusing to learn basic personal finance, leading to uninformed decisions and vulnerability to financial pitfalls.
Section 3. Suboptimal financial choices. These habits involve inefficient use of available financial tools and opportunities.
17. Falling in love with a savings account. Keeping too much money in low-interest savings accounts where inflation erodes its purchasing power over time, instead of investing for 18. Paying bills late. Incurring late fees and damaging your credit score, which makes future borrowing, like mortgages, more expensive.
Number 19. Not maximizing savings accounts. Settling for your primary bank's low-yield savings account instead of seeking high-yield savings accounts or other investment vehicles. 20. Being too cheap in critical areas. Prioritizing the absolute lowest cost in areas where quality is crucial, e.g., cheap insurance, poor quality tools, or subpar financial advice, which often costs more in the long run.
To break these habits, start small. Automate your savings, track your spending for 1 month, and prioritize paying down high-interest debt. Financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Built one good habit at a time.
That wraps up our discussion on the 20 money habits that keep you poor. Keep in mind that awareness is the initial step towards transformation. Don't let those old habits haunt your bank account. Take what you learned today. Maybe it's setting up an emergency fund or finally tackling that high-interest debt, and apply it this week. You have the power to break the cycle. We'll see you next time for more success steps toward financial freedom. Keep stepping